Let us learn about how to draw league fixtures. Now, league or round robin tournament. So, first of all, we need to understand what is league tournament. In a league tournament, every team plays with all other teams which are participating once or twice. There are two types of league tournament: single league tournament and double league tournament. In a single league tournament, all the teams plays with each other once, and in a double league tournament, all the participating teams plays with each other twice. So, there are three methods of drawing league fixture. Now let us discuss methods. So three methods, as I told you. First is staircase. Second one is cyclic. The third one is tabular. So, these are the three methods of drawing league or round robin fixtures. The first one, that is staircase method. Let us start with the first one, staircase. Now the method has been named upon staircase. We all know the English meaning of staircase is the stairs which helps us to climb up or get down. So when we draw fixture, it somewhere looks like a staircase. Keeping that in mind, the method has been named as staircase method. Now with an example I am going to show you, but before going to show the fixture, let us understand some of the key formulas. So the first formulas. The first one is number of round. Number of rounds. Now here, for even number of teams participating, number of rounds would be n minus 1, where n denotes number of teams participating. For odd number of teams participating, the number of rounds would be n. Number of teams participating would be number of rounds. Moving forward, the next formula would be number of matches. Now, for number of matches, for even and odd number of teams both, the formula would be same. That will be n into n minus 1 upon 2, where n denotes number of teams participating. So these two formula will be applicable at first for the two methods, that is staircase and cyclic method. For tabular method, one more formula will be included that I will tell you later. So staircase method, let us take an example of six teams participating in a staircase method. Here, seen on the left hand side, I have kept one team fixed. On the right hand side, I have kept on alternating the teams. 1 into 2 means one is playing with 2, one is playing with 3, one is playing with 4, one is playing with 5, one is playing with 6. So this shows that the team 1 is playing with all the other remaining teams once. Similarly, for the second team, that is team 2, just to see, every team is playing with other team once. Now, if I drag a line from the top, what it looks like? It looks like staircase. This is the reason why the name of the method has been kept staircase method. So, this is an example of even number of teams. Now let us move to an example of odd number of teams participating. Let us do a sum of 7 teams participating in a staircase method. So the process remains same. Just check. 1 has been kept constant, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are kept on alternating. For the second team, just check. Again, on the left hand side, every time we will be keeping one team fixed. Right hand side, teams will be keep on changing. So this is an example of odd number of teams participating in a staircase method. So I hope you have understood staircase method. Now moving forward to another method, that is cyclic method. Now, this is method number 2 of league or round robin tournament. Cyclic. Here you will find one team will be kept fixed and the remaining team will be moving in a cyclic order. That is the reason the name has been kept cyclic method. When I will be doing an example, you will be understanding the things in a more better way. So I am taking again 16s as an example. So here we need to find out number of rounds which we didn't require in staircase method. So for 6 number of teams, number of rounds, 6 is an even number. As I had told earlier, for even number of teams participating in a cyclic method, the formula would be n minus 1, where n signifies number of teams participating. That means 6 minus 1 will be 5 rounds. Okay, next will be number of matches. Number of matches, the formula is n into n minus 1 upon 2. That means, where n means number of teams participating. So 6 into 6 minus 1 upon 2. That means 30 upon 2, it becomes 15 matches. So 15 matches will be all together. So let us start the fixture. Round 1. Now you can find I have encircled 6. Just check. 1, 2, 3. The things are moving in a cyclic way. I have encircled 6. Here in cyclic method, we need to keep one team fixed in a single place in all the rounds. That is according to rule. Moving forward, round 2. One will be coming one step down. 6 I have kept fixed. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 is fixed on its place. So 5 will be moving here. This is the process. Yes, students. So let us continue. Round number 3. One will be again coming further one step down. 1, 2, 3. Just see. With the help of these arrows, I am showing you the pathway. One will be further moving one step ahead. 1, 2, 6. 6 is fixed. 3, 4, 5. Moving towards last round. Round number 5. One will be again moving one step ahead. Just see. This is an example of cyclic method where 6 teams are participating. You can find there are 5 rounds. According to formula also there have to be 5 rounds. According to number of matches formula, we must have 15 matches. So each round is having 3 matches. So we have 5 rounds. 3 into 5, it is 15. So according to formula, the fixture is right. Next, we are moving towards an example of odd number of teams participating in a cyclic method. So, let us take an example of 5 teams participating in a cyclic method. Next, here number of rounds. Since 5 is an odd number, for odd number of teams participating in a cyclic method will be n. N means number of teams participating. So there will be 5 rounds. Number of matches. Number of matches, the formula remains same for even and odd. It becomes n into n minus 1 upon 2. That means 5 minus 1 upon 2. It becomes 10 matches. So, let us start the fixture now. Round 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, one slot is vacant. What to do? In case of odd number of teams participating in a league tournament, we need to use bye. So, the vacant slot I have just put bye. And I have encircled also. Encircling means that position will be fixed for entire rounds. I am again drawing arrow for you for your better understanding. Moving forward to round 2. One will be coming one step down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I have kept bye as fixed. You can keep any team fixed in any position. Just you need to keep one thing in mind, that team whichever you are keeping fixed, the fixed team will remain fixed in all the rounds. 5 will be moving forward. Moving forward, round 3, 1 will be moving one step ahead. Moving again forward, 1 will be moving one step ahead. Moving towards last, that is round 5. 1 will be moving one step ahead. Now, you can find one similarity in all the 5 rounds, that is, I have fixed bye on the topmost right hand side. So this thing only you need to keep in your mind. You can keep any team fixed, but that team will be kept fixed in same position for all the contemporary round. So dear students, with this we come to the end of cyclic method. Now let us move to the third method of league fixture, that is tabular method. Since from the name itself, the name is tabular, so we get an idea that the fixture must be in table form. Tabular fixtures are drawn in tabular form. That is the reason why it is known as tabular method. So, here, as I have told you earlier, one formula need to be added. That is number of box. So, number of box for even number of teams, it will be n plus 1, where n represents number of teams participating. For odd number of teams, it will be n plus 2. Now, moving forward. Now, I am taking an example again for 6 teams. As you must be noticing that I am doing one numerical for even and one for odd. So, for 16, 6 is a even number. So, here first of all, number of rounds would be n minus 1. That means 6 minus 1 will be 5 rounds. Next formula, number of boxes, it will be 6 is an even number, so n plus 1, that means 6 plus 1, it becomes 7 boxes. Third formula will be number of matches, that becomes n into n minus 1 upon 2, so it will be becoming 15 matches. These 3 formulas will be required to draw tabular method. So first of all, number of boxes, we need to draw table. So, 7 boxes we have drawn. Now first of all, we need to drag a vertical line from top to bottom, intersecting each box from corner. Now we need to name one, two, three, four, five, 6. We need to name the boxes horizontally as well as vertically. So, after this, we need to mention rounds. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4 and round 5. Just see. Now, A. The first team is A. Now, A will be playing with B, A will be playing with C, A will be playing with D, E and F simultaneously. Here in the box, we need to just mention the round number. A is playing with B, in which round number? A is playing with C, in which round number? So, we need to mention round number. So, the first team A. So A will first play with B. Next, A is playing with C, A is playing with D, A is playing with E, as well as A is playing with F. So the team A is playing with all other team once. Here, one thing we need to keep in mind that teams should not be repeated in any round. Any team should not be repeated more than once. So we need to mention A is playing with B in round number 1, A is playing with C in round number 2, A is playing with D in round number 3, and likewise. Just we have mentioned the round number. The second team is B. Now for the second team, whenever the second team will start playing or the new team will start playing, we need to take care that from which round the previous team has started playing. So the previous team, from whichever round they have started to play, for next team we will always skip one round in between. So for if A has started playing from round number 1, B will start playing from round number 3. We have skipped round number 2 in between. B is playing with C, B is playing with D, B is playing with E. Move again to round number 1. Now here B has already played, so we cannot place B here again. Move to round 2. B is playing with F. So just put up the number 3, 4, 5 and 2. Next, C. Now our next team is C. So we need to look that B has started playing from round number 3. So C will be starting to play from round number 5. C is playing with D. Come again to round 1. C is playing with E. Come here. C has already played, so we cannot place. Move forward. C is here. Move to round 4. Just place it. Put up the number 5, 1 and 4. Next team is D. For D, again I need to see from which round C has started playing. C has started playing from 5. So D will be starting to play from round number 2, because I need to skip one round in between. So here D will be playing with E. Next, here D is, here also D, here also D. Move again to round number 1. Place it. D is playing with F. So mention the number. For next, that is E. E will be playing with F only one match. Here we will find each round is having 3 matches except round number 3. So just put up E into F. It balances the fixture as well as 3 matches in each round. 5 rounds, 3 into 5, 15. Number of matches is also 15. So this is an example of even number of teams participating in a tabular method. Now let us move to an example of odd number of teams. Now I am taking 7 as an example. 7 teams participating in a tabular method. So number of round would be n, because 7 is an odd number. So it becomes 7 rounds. Number of boxes. For odd number of teams participating in a tabular method, it becomes n plus 2. So 7 plus 2, it becomes 9 boxes. Number of matches, formula remains same, n into n minus 1 upon 2. That means 7 into 6, 42 divided by 2, it becomes 21 matches. 21 matches. Now let us move to draw the fixture. So we need to draw 9 boxes. Now, the same process after dragging line, we need to diagonally draw a line from top to bottom, intersecting each box. Now, let us mention the name. Now you see, we have mentioned 7 teams. 1 boxes have been vacant. So what to do? Now in that one vacant slot, we will put by. As I have told you earlier, in case of even number of teams participating also, for odd number of teams participating, we need to use by. So here we have used by. Now how many rounds? 7 rounds. Round 1, round 2, round 3, round 4, round 5, round 6, as well as round 7. Let us drag line. So, first A will be playing its matches. Next, just you see, A has played all its matches. So, just put up the number. Next, our next team is B. So, now A has started playing from round number 1. For B, the B will be skipping 1 round in between and starting from round number 3. So, round number 3, just put B into C, B into D, B into E, B into F, B into G. Come again to round 1. B has already played. Move to round 2. Give by to B. Encircled. I have encircled all the by. You can just notice. So just put up the number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and it becomes 2. Next, team is C. Now C will be starting playing from round number 5. Put up the number. Next team is D. D will start playing from round number 7. So need to put the number. Next team is E. So E will be playing. So dear students, so let's see for E. It will be, he has started playing from round 2, that is E is playing with F. Round 3 E is playing with G, and moving forward E has been given by in round number 1. So we have just placed the number 2, 3 and 1. Our next team is F. So previous team E has started playing from round number 2. So F will be starting to play from round number 4. F into G, F into H. So moving forward, F has been given by in round number 3. So just putting number. This is 4 and it becomes 3. Our last team is G. Now G will be given one by. Now let us check. Each round is having 4 matches. Just check. Except round number 5. So in round number 5 directly you can put G is been given by in round number 5. So just put the number round number 5. Now you see each round is having 1 by. So and each round is having 4 matches. 7 rounds altogether. So 4 into 7 it becomes 28. But my dear students, according to formula we need to have 21 matches, but we are having 28. Don't panic. Each round is having 1 by, means total number of by is 7. What we have understood so far, by means the match has not taken place. The teams switch over to another round without playing. So just if I subtract 7, because 7 byes are there, so I am subtracting 7, it becomes 21 matches. So according to formula it becomes 21 matches, and here also we have matched 21 matches. So this is an example of tabular method. 7 number of teams, 7 is an odd number. So I hope all of you will understand, you will be helpful in drawing fiction. Thank you all of you. Stay blessed, stay safe.